So if you're anything like me, you probably use Filmora every single day to edit your videos. But here is two features that I didn't even know Filmora had. And trust me, once I knew what they was, I started using them every single day. So without further ado, let me show you how cool these features is. Okay, so this feature I recently found out after I took some videos of us playing golf, and the footage were so shaky I didn't even know if I could use them. But that's when I stumbled across a stabilization feature. Now I don't know about you, but I've never saw this even of years using Filmora. So basically what you do is I have this clip right here. Now I did shoot this on a gimbal, but it is still a bit shaky. So all you do is you double press the clip, go to AI tools, and then you simply scroll down to stabilization. Now here you can decide how strong the stabilization should be. So if you put it at very strong, it's gonna crop in a lot. So let's just put it at normal and then click to start analysis. Then it will simply just go through the clip and simply just stabilize it. And there you go. Now once it is have done it, then you'll see your clip is a bit cropped in, but not that much that it's really noticeable. And then afterwards your clip would be more stabilized. Okay, now this second feature is something I wouldn't use every single day, but it is pretty cool to see how it works in Filmora. So basically what you do is you can upload a photo of yourself. So I just uploaded this one. Then the same, simply double press and go to AI tools. Now right at the top you'll see AI image stylizer. So when you press on that, there's a bunch of different like AI faces that you can generate. So I just choose this one, then you simply press on it and say OK. Then it will take a while, but then it will kind of generate you, but as an AI generated image. So let's just give it some time. Okay, so that was very quick, but this is how the photo turned out. Now it is, as I said, I wouldn't use it every single day. It's just something fun to play around. And yeah, this is how I look for some reason. But yeah, as I said, I wouldn't use that every single day, but it's a cool feature, as I said, to play around with. And maybe you want to make this your profile picture or whatever. And once again, I did not know you can do this in Filmora. Okay, so there you have it. Now you also know about the cool features that is in Filmora, but I bet you didn't know about them. So yeah, if you have any further questions, remember, just drop it in the comments, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.